Okay guys, today's video I'm going to be talking about the Blackstone Griddle Top Grill. Really excited to have it. I am going to be trying it out and doing a review on it and letting you know what I think about it. But for now, I am going to condition it and season it and get it ready to start grilling. So make sure you stay tuned. When you get a Blackstone grill with the griddle top, you want to make sure that you condition it before you start cooking. So the best way that I've learned after doing research is grab some sandpaper like this. It doesn't have to be a big sheet, it can be a little bit, but this is gonna be the 120 grit. I'm just gonna go over it and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it, and then I'll follow up with my thoughts after I do my first grilling. Okay, so you get your sandpaper and you're just going to sand it down, because what you want to do is make a smooth surface. This is, I believe they call it ruled steel, and you're just gonna smooth it out like this. Now, when I got this grill, it came with a lot of adhesive because there was a sticker on it. I just took the stickers off. You can see right here, there's still stickers on the side of both sides. I won't have to show you that side, but this is what I'm focusing on right now. I'm getting the sticker off. I'm taking the adhesive off, and I'm making sure it's nice and smooth because we're going to season it with a oil and have it ready after a few times of going over it with some oil to grill. So here we go. Okay guys, so as you see, I have went over this whole top with 120 grit sandpaper. I did do the sides too. I did the outsides because it does matter. I did make sure that all of the adhesive was off, but I also cleared it where it is going to have no bumps. It's all smooth. The next thing you're gonna do in this process is you're gonna have dish soap and water and paper towels. And we're gonna do this. We're gonna clean this off real quick before we get started. Just gonna get this in there. We're just gonna use regular water just to kind of rinse off the excess soap that may be on here. And this is just going to go into the little grease tray. Some people may even say, hey, you shouldn't be using paper towels because the fiber is going to get on there. Well, I guess it just depends on what kind of paper towels you use and how particular you're going to be when it comes to cleaning your grill and getting it ready, seasoned to start cooking on. As I said, this is a brand new grill, so it's never been cooked on, so that's why I am seasoning it today, getting it ready for my first cook, and I'm going to tell you my thoughts on the Blackstone. Is it something that is overhyped? Is it something that's well worth it? Is it something that you should definitely get, or should you just stick with the normal grills that you have? I am very curious to see how the griddle top works because my family likes pancakes, my family likes hash browns, my family likes eggs. Obviously, we like cheeseburgers. Everything that you probably shouldn't eat, my family likes. I try to eat more of a healthy style of life, so I'll be cooking other things on here. So just to recap, I just sanded the top of the grill with 120 grit sandpaper. When I got done with that, I cleaned it with the paper towel as good as I could, but there were still little pieces of dust. So I used dish soap and water, and I used a paper towel, and I got it all off, and then I rinsed it with water. Now, all of the excess water and soap is in the oil pan that comes with your Blackstone griddle. And the next process, after it's all dried off, you're gonna use a grease oil, and a lot of people say avocado oil is the best. If it's pricey, which it is, you can always go for Crisco. I've heard Crisco is really good too. It's a second option if you can't get the avocado. I like the fact that this is a 16 ounce, it's a lot bigger, it's a lot longer, and so we're gonna use this today. Okay, now that we did all that, I just turned the propane tank on and I just fired up this Blackstone grill. I will say that you can have these all the way to the max when you turn it on. Blackstone, from what I understand, from what I've read about, from what I've heard about, has okayed the fact that it is okay to start this grill at full throttle. So I will say and take a second to let you know that when you buy this, it will not come with a AA battery. This thing will screw off to the left and you'll put a AA battery right in here and screw back on. So make sure you know that you're gonna have to have a AA battery to run that ignition switch. With that said, the grill's fired up, it's hot. I'm gonna show you what we do next. We're gonna get some of this Crisco. We're gonna throw it on the grill. Just like that. I have tongs and a paper towel, and I'm just going to use this to go over this black grill. Again, we have not cooked on this grill yet, but we're just getting it ready to do the grilling and season it up. Now the idea here is just to get this paper towel nice and greasy so you can take it and go over this grill just like this. And this will be a process of a few times doing. Okay guys, so I just seasoned the grill. It's ready to go. I've had it running for a while. I did put the Crisco on it. I went over it for a while. And as you can see, when you look at this grill, it looks like it is ready and prepared to go. It is greased, it's ready to go. It's not so shiny like it was before. So this is going to set your stage for a really, really good cooking. With all that said, we're gonna go ahead and get some stuff going. We're gonna be grilling and I'm gonna let you know how it turns out. So make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video. Okay guys, so my final conclusion on the Blackstone grill. What are my final thoughts? Well, I want to say I really enjoyed it. I thought it was really, really good. I have had gas grills before, I've had charcoal grills before, and this one beats them all. I really like how it has a nice grill top, it's all flat. You can make pancakes, you can make hash browns. What's really, really cool is the fact that you can do so much with so much real estate on the top. There's so much room. You can do it all at one time, and I really, really enjoy it. Coming from a family of 5, we eat quite a lot. These kids eat a lot here. It's very nice to have that option to be able to cook more than one thing at a time. So with that said, I really like the Blackstone Griddle, and I'm looking forward to cooking a lot more stuff on it. So make sure you go check it out. Grab one if you find one. I did pay for this. This is not a paid promotional thing from Blackstone in any way at all. This is something that I actually paid for out of my own money. I found it on sale and I purchased it to try it out, and because I needed a grill anyway. So go ahead and check it out. Guys, I think you'd like it. If you can go ahead and like this video, it would really be helpful. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you are up to date with all the reviews that I post on this channel. And guys, I will catch you on the next video. See you later.